Ken Jennison, Watt Media. I'm here in Muscatine, Iowa at OFC Panel Processing, and I'm here now with Charlie Olswold, president of OFC, and we're going to talk a bit about the manufacture of lightweight panels. Now Charlie, why are you working on the development of lightweight panels?
Ken, 2 years ago, we were looking, my partners and I were looking at what we could do to increase our focus in the business, to expand on our expertise. Could we do to move this company forward? And one of the things that we discussed we did not want to do was just become another Me Too company that does the same thing as many other companies do. We wanted to try and find something that would be different, that might put us out there in front of the public a little more, something different to offer. And we run across the prospect of lightweight panel, composite panel fabrication, and decided that seemed to be an idea or product that would fit our expectations of doing something different. So we proceeded to purchase equipment to produce lightweight panels, and then have spent the last 2 years working on the development of lightweight panels. Not as aggressively probably as we ought to have, but moving forward.
Well, yeah, definitely. Well, so on the supply side, what sort of issues are there in regard to materials?
Generally, our development in lightweight panels has been working with MDF board, usually in thicknesses between 1/8 inch and 5/16 inch thickness. The 5/16 being used primarily for panels of 1.5 inch thickness up to 2 inches of thickness. 1/8 inch when we're down to panels as little as 1 inch in thickness. The thickness of the skins is also used, depends on the application for the panel. Acquiring those materials in a raw MDF, although not impossible, can be difficult at times because it is a new product area which does not have a lot of acceptance at this point in time. It's difficult to buy large enough volumes of the material. The core material we've elected to use is a paper honeycomb core. There are other materials that can be used, but that's where we're focusing our development on the panels, is on the paper honeycomb. Finding a source for this material in smaller volume with varied thicknesses to meet the demands of our customers has been a struggle. I think we've got that issue pretty well resolved at this point. The third issue seems to be in the area of hardware. I believe there's a lot of development yet currently going on and still needs to be completed on fittings designed specifically for use in composite lightweight panels.
Okay. Well, lastly, what challenges are there for manufacturers of lightweight panels?
Challenges to manufacturers. Usually the first contact that we have with a potential customer is your panels, we need a panel to be 1.5 inches thick or 1 3/4 or whatever. Can you build the panel? Yes, we can. The second question is this panel competitively priced with a solid panel? The answer to that is generally no. The idea of a lightweight panel is not cost is always important. It's always paramount in any product, is cost, but lightweight panels also are really a new media to work with. It allows more flexibility in the product design. And I believe right now most contacts that we've had with manufacturers is trying to replace a solid product with a lightweight panel and trying to lower the cost in doing so. I believe that working with manufacturers that we can hopefully develop new products or product lines that have lightweight panels in mind from their inception, so that you're designing a product to work with lightweight panels, not trying to make lightweight panels function exactly like a solid product in a current product line.
Okay. Charlie, thank you very much. I appreciate your time to talk with us today.
Thank you, Ken.